In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deal in Pipedrive. Deleting a deal is one of those tasks that seems simple, but it's important to do it correctly so you don't accidentally remove the wrong information from your pipeline. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a quick, visual way to delete a deal using the main pipeline view, and I'll also share a few tips to help you stay organized and avoid mistakes. First, start by opening Pipedrive and making sure you're in the right place, the Deals section. You'll find this in the left-hand sidebar. This is your main pipeline view, where all of your deals are organized into stages, from new leads to closed or won opportunities. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the pipeline that contains the deal you want to delete. Next, find the specific deal you'd like to remove. Each deal appears as a card in a column. Once you've located it, move your mouse over that deal card. Instead of just clicking it once to open it, you're going to click and hold. Keep the mouse button pressed down. This tells Pipedrive that you want to move that deal. While still holding down the click, drag the deal card toward the bottom of your screen. As you drag, you should see a delete area appear along the bottom. This is a dedicated zone where you can drop deals when you want to delete them. Continue dragging the deal until your cursor is over that delete area. When you're sure you've selected the correct deal and it's positioned over the delete area, go ahead and release the mouse button. Releasing the deal over this zone is how you confirm that you really want to delete it. At this point, Pipedrive will remove that deal from your pipeline. Because deleting is permanent and can't easily be undone, it's a good idea to double-check you've chosen the right deal before you let go. If you change your mind while dragging, simply move the deal card back into the pipeline and release it there instead. That's all there is to it. By going to the Deals section, clicking and holding the deal, dragging it to the delete area at the bottom of the screen, and then releasing to confirm, you can quickly clean up your pipeline and keep your Pipedrive workspace neat and focused on the opportunities that really matter.